Select your workout tab. Here you can start a saved routine or start an empty workout and build it as you go along. We will select a routine which has already been created. Click Start Now. The workout is now in progress and the timer is counting. Start with your first exercise. Once complete, enter the correct values and then the green check mark to the right. If the values are already correct, simply hit the green check mark. Assuming you have the rest timer set up, the rest timer kicks in. Once the timer is done counting down, move on to the next exercise or set. We are now on the squat. I will perform my first set. Enter the weight and reps. Then again, a green check mark at the end. The rest timer starts. At the end of the timer, proceed to your next set and repeat the process. If I match my previous performance, I can click that as well, and it will autofill my numbers automatically. Then hit the green check mark again. You can override the timer by hitting skip, or add extra, or reduce the timer in 15-second increments by clicking the respective options by the timer. Rinse and repeat until the workout is done. If you wish to change the set type, select the set number, then the appropriate option you wish to change it to. To make a superset, select the 3 dots beside the exercise name, then add to superset. You will notice there is a check mark by your exercise. Select the exercise you wish to superset it with. This is now labeled accordingly. To remove superset, repeat the same process and select Remove from Superset. To change the exercise order, hit the 3 dots again by the name, reorder, then select the exercise and hold onto it for a few seconds. Then drag it around where you want it. Hit the negative symbol to the left to remove the exercise entirely. Repeat as desired. Hit Done to return to your workout. You can also change the order from your workout screen by selecting the exercise and holding it for a few seconds, then moving it around. To add a set to your exercise, hit Add Set. To remove a set, swipe left, then delete. To swap out an exercise for another, hit the 3 dots to the right of the exercise. Replace exercise. Select the exercise you want to replace this one with from the library. You can add notes to your exercises as you progress through your workout. Tap any exercise to see the exercise main page. Click back to return to your workout. To add an exercise, scroll down to the bottom of your session. Click Add Exercise. Select as many as you wish, then add. You will see a live counter at the top of your session, showing total time, weight, and sets for the current session. To have it visible at all times during your workout, hit the plus symbol when this field is out of view. To remove it, hit the X.